Nashukuru kwa sababu ya siku ya leo tumeweza kupata mafundisho ya kwamba watoto wasichana wasipate kukeketwa, na haya mafundisho yatatusaidia katika jamii kwa sababu wasichana watakuwa wakiwa na sehemu zao zote, na ndipo familia zao wakikuwa wakubwa zitakuwa zinasimama imara. Na haya mafunzo ambayo tumeyapata pamoja na kuwapea wasichana wataenda kuyaendeza katika jamii zao ili vita ambavyo vinakuanga katika jamii viweze kuisha.
Bella Masanya. Today we have held an event to mark the graduation of our students. This graduation is themed Alternative Rites of Passage for Ending Female Genital Mutilation. So alternative rites of passage is basically gimmicking the traditional rites of passage, but not necessarily following the structures or the goals of the traditional FGM way of passage. Today we have students, a total of 93 students from 9 schools who we have been training since the April holiday, August holiday, and finally they are graduating today to mark that they have been taught on the harmful dangers of FGM, and they have also taken a public declaration alongside with their parents saying no to FGM. And so we held this event alongside the sidelines of 16 days of activism against GBV because the statistics are really worrying. For instance, in Nyamira County, FGM prevalence stands at 75%, while in Kisii County, FGM prevalence stands at 77%. So these are really worrying statistics, and therefore we see that there's need for us to really champion against FGM, continue raising awareness, continue sensitizing parents, and also collaborating with different stakeholders, collaborating with chiefs, collaborating with our local duty bearers, as well as the government, who have been quite helpful in helping us sensitize the community.
Where I come from, there is no FGM. And where I come from, where the ladies was never recognized some years ago. A girl child, when they are born, their fate will be broken. When it's born, the fate will be broken. They break the fate. Because they don't want the girls to grow and get out from the house. You must be obedient to your husband, even to your son. That's how they don't recognize women at that time. But now China is one of the countries recognized women, respecting gender. But we did not do things like this. FGM will stop when the parents are educated, when the families are empowered. It's not because they want to do FGM. It's a tradition, it's poverty,
it's a culture,
is a mindset. Even today you tell these girls, we don't want FGM. They have no powers to stop it. Instead of telling these children, let us educate the parents. Let us help the parents to understand what is going through with these children. That's the only way to save this girl child. Even gender-based violence. Let us empower our women. When our women are empowered, they know their rights. Everything will stop.
amangana yonsi piga gusira
If today
rero
Mheshimiwa Enyoro's wife comes home,
umuntu uri ona ochanka
she has no money to buy food.
atabwati besa kugura indagira
She has no money to pay school fees.
atabwati besa gwakana school fees
She will come to beg Enyororo.
gagocha gusabirira
Even Enyororo beats her.
ninoita
She has nowhere to go.
asta yago chiko ikati gare
I will translate exactly.
yes
That is the cause
ekina giye kogera
of the violence, and the ladies are continue staying with the violence.
ese giye kurwana chika no musubati nenda gendera kobera no mugakoe
The sponsors of this programs,
abateneribe program ye
I plead with you,
ko basorora
as you are doing the programs,
namoko chikonya gukora mibange
do some more training,
mokore amasomo amange
more programs to empower the people,
mokore ti programs nyinge chiko chikokonya abantu abatwari chinguru
and
chibeza
all other
mufuko
things will follow.
nebintu binde byonsi biko chikobwati ngorayo
Right now, we may be thinking we have stopped Enyororo stopping beating his wife
namura kaga mwantikire konya goito mungina ori onera kitiri ko sana moita
because we have called him to come.
ase nzonga ndangeye montebi
We talk to him nicely. We tell him, don't beat your wife.
monko anere buya montebi tingo ito mongina
Going back home is a different story.
ako genda ka endo chio mo imbuka
We need both men and women understand what and why they should stop.
koika abantu bose bose nigwe umugaka no mongina bamanyangaki baratigere chigegenka
These girls, as they concentrate in their studies,
abana babuna babo chikokora babo chiko basa masomo abo
we need to give them more knowledge about their future,
koika tabasemi igora ya obusibu babo
what they want to be and what they want to do.
nikibatakere chikora na nikibatakere gukora
These small girls, if the father and the mother says, no, I'm taking you somewhere,
abana babake tato ngoro mo mala tebi gatika kubairanda segete
even they cry, even they do what, they can't stop it.
na barera na bakore kibara kore mba konyara gutanga
Let us go back to the villages, talk to the parents.
gatoira ne biroga ali to kwanira babiri babo
That's the only way to help the society.
igariyo katoranyara gukora igisaku
But thank you so much for the program. As you are continuing, I know you are doing a very good job. But let us join hands together. We think of the better way of stopping this thing.
All appeal would be to call upon the government. We are now in Kisii and Nyamira County, also at the level of the county government, to take an active role in ensuring that they are at the front lines of saying no to ending FGM, as well as also, giving more funding, ensuring that there's funds allocated for carrying out activities such as this, because as you can see, we've been able to really get full crowds today. We have community members, we have children, we have religious leaders, we have teachers. So if we are able to get more support from the government, we're already getting support, but if we could just, get more support 2024 in the coming years, so that the commitment that the Kenyan CSOs on ending FGMC have made to end FGM by 2030 is realized.
Arukia bana banyaruka oikaere karibo barabara bana mwana yare mwanjirare mwogo zikwanisa kando ikotikare asenge tobone ese kire igo orukarega iya ogwetwara guti mwana munyaruka na gukwara kunyara gukurama lakini bone gebitu bya otoreiri na indekate baso mutugwa mangana maya ikibatari guchiko arukigwa egento keli yakabere ndose bobwata mangana kurunga gender based violence kono rore kisegitire chinkari tigatoire chinkarose ase kisegiti tokonya kurwana kono rore ngo mugaka atachirete muswati moita lakini mostly nasegenza kono ranga baswati aba gusi mona na gwe chande ye kubwata ogwakwa nende gwata ranga nonye ko ngita asa yongochi karibo igorende na rero ya unchokire mana bagaka go itibakare abagaka bari ito sibagenda best ye igere chisa moibere abagaka go itibare na